GFIC, Ghana Film Industry Production.
Okay.
My father's wife. Na imami go kitwe me kwa ko share omo boss officer na me draw me so na me friend director no nyete na me kan so role no extra antino o ma me ye bibi unique and also okay fine na jebe na me ye ngo opa me podudu
okay
no so me ye ma o hwe no ma ti won nyina na o mo tie asema me ni discussing.
Oh, okay.
Me we had a film. And afa from there on.
Okay.
Later so the were series B Shenkom. And Shenkom Zunu director no say ope say me boss me acting the same way man.
Okay.
From one to another production, Baba and Shushan. Let me shop owner. So director so say opese me Mr. Emmanuel and I was so me pensa because one ticket and we go stereotyping.
Okay.
Baby obi afrewa yeah the same thing.
Okay.
So sometimes you have to do other things and so.
Yeah, the okay cry.
Jahi you cry na feel why you seen me no feel upese okasa na kasa na ma. Ndi abonu.
Oh,
but Daddy, we've seen stories you've shared with other media houses. We're talking about said you're okay. People even feel like that's how you speak. And I think I read something about you also called friend B office, and you just pretended to the secretary now. But Daddy, that's a good role. We can say you being known for such roles, you know. Yeah. The young fan can say yeah mum nan busa but mami busa be a winya comment or bisa you sticking to such a particular role based on directors in the young person we know does it take you away from and I say am man for any feeling when you play a role on also
no me any role me play be no me do
okay
me yiri me say at least character now script no head demanding
okay
me portray exactly what they want or even more.
Okay.
And I'm cool with any role.
All right. And that you mess up honum. Really remember but my brad Uncle Fred honum. Uncle, mess up bisa then bisa na BM. How so quite many a movie start now. Yeah, you do actually and see a whole movie, sir. But how did you really start for you?
Senior Ricky Kano. Muslim started from the stage.
Okay.
In 1969.
Okay.
Meka onimase sanka
69 because this me ko check me information I'm 85 just me dem watch. Oh, that's beautiful.
69 was stage sir, but me tie ye no na yen literature master no
okay
or drama group the lanti we form 5 na kodome home. I'm a director in particular here, late Reverend Kofi Renchi.
Okay.
Or Madea na Musu say Satan no Lankasano, no Ejuma or GFS, Ghana Film Industry Corporation. Indeed, now I started
the month.
That's around 1982, 1983. Okay. I'm starting film. But all along I'm here stage.
Okay. Daddy, let me ask this if I can. What was that one moment in the movie career I say this thing I see there, I'm not going back to movie again?
It has never happened to me. Me can say no matter what happens, say you call near somebody me trusting me.
Very interesting, very interesting. Daddy, I'm coming to be a honor, and send me bro, I'm a person me busa, but my member, yeah, brass on big boss.
Yeah,
with the I wouldn't want to tempt asking you, say, how did movie start for you?
All right.
But I want to put it in this way, say, what really made you feel like you can act?
And okay, so then we'll have to take me through.
All right.
Yeah. So me say so back in high school, and me had a chance to join a drama group.
Okay.
And now me mean anything about acting, but one time me try and the next day Obia Kasa campus almost say there's a new drama boy. And me say okay, there's something there. So fast forward, they called drama competitions and me winning awards in Yoma. Into me school no. Me a theater boy, me the theater and they start here.
Talking about school bay.
Oh, the best school in Greater Accra. Nungwa Senior High School.
Okay. Nungwa in there.
Oh, all the friends of Nungwa. Yeah.
Interesting.
It's me here, and me seeking like professional the professional part. And the theater and they start here in 2016 and through that, and I'll be soon or introduce me to film. And here we are today.
One movie now bit me, I can say this movie is what really brought me out. Bema Minya grounds and my feeling said this time around, this is what I want to do full time.
That would be YOLO.
Okay.
TV series.
Okay.
Yeah, no, TV series. Very, very popular. And Oba Accra. I don't know. Yeah, everyone question and it's.
I've watched.
You've watched YOLO, yeah. So
I was even thinking that maybe were you in strike too?
No, I wasn't in strike. I did YOLO, and from there, like Nkofo knew me because of my tagline I used to use in YOLO. I Zamzain. Into we are home Kruma Zamzain. That gave me some leverage out there.
Interesting. Let's say what's an American kind from gurus na edim comedian legends. It means be a legend. I'm a legend because the other people looking up to you too.
Right.
See, if I want to act, probably I would like to watch some of your stuff because and then Kranos would be want to relate to. But Mokasa Munina Moye Obia, let me on my mics because any of you can go for me. Munina go through the stage side of acting and the pre-recorded one which one now Becca say is your best or like you like to do more even though I don't know the stage in the start say one the question is in twofold then now Becca say the best for you and at the end na adding
near the stage. Stage you can't afford to mess up a word, not a line.
Not at all.
You can't afford to miss a word.
Okay.
And can I say, a live to a live audience.
Yeah.
Yes.
Nipaneti when you so mess it up. They say my messy one minute one staging
okay.
I didn't say
I say.
We'll be able
to
a mouth good memories.
Yeah.
Say we stage senior ye kai ade o share script mu a obehwem from page 1 echo
to the last page
senior your program or channel between sin 5 and sin 17 with my sin 5 and 17 my next day class repeat this script
okay
but with the stage you must always have
be on point.
Yes, and you can learn the other person's lines.
Uncle Ricky, but that the word Kakas and Uncle Fred. Let me also ask because I asked it in two. Yahu dear Dano. Young fan of Dana and Tonchain. Dear he now war as a person and because I know much interest in doing
drama. Stage.
The stage. Wow. Why are your reasons? Because go back said yeah, they need saying can there.
Yeah, addition
okay.
Language bia ya de be no. Unya sa language munti asia pa. E brofo a language wo a uye ya wonti asia. But unya bia o ye English student no can say e say ya a mao express ohun baby obefa bia expression yeah easy mao and to me mao certain terms bia he that to know now only mumpo but because we are stage naka.
And would you say same say we interest, because right now the Munyama cement say stage near, but would you say same say we interest, and I say what you like to do more on a stage?
Well, honestly, me now soon me stage and camera, but the time.
Okay. We also
time and we go rehearsal. This I'm to meeting.
Just made me a pension.
Now we have got to also. Really, what about you?
Oh, for me but I lean a little towards theater a lot. Stage play.
The profile says it all.
Exactly. Because I like the rehearsal process. Not every day I'm doing it. It also helps me. It shapes me.
The process makes you happy.
Exactly. If you did rehearsal, you get to meet your fellow cast. You learn a lot from them too. But normally film sets will call and we share different people, and then after that everybody goes their way. Exactly.
Okay, that.
There's another set of acting which is radio theater. Stage, radio theater, and filming.
Yeah.
Now radio theater no, and so difficult essaying sini.
Yes.
Okay. In the sense say, I know you don't chew your lines to come and pour, but you read it with your voice. And reading, you know, you must converse with the lines as if you are talking and not reading. Because we are reading, but not meaning, you know, article. Now, it is good for, say, the blind.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Yes.
And I to me, we are radio theater. At least
they listen.
Yeah. So this the third one. Is the stage, radio, and film.
Okay. Uncle Fred Akasa, Uncle Ricky, Mami Musa will come to movie now Mube premiere, which I know that's the main reason why we are here. At least Yenya Muide, entire Muso, Yen Chum Kakra.
Just 100 years.
All right. Really, I'll come to you with this question, but let me start with the old folks. Like, one way of our discussions, and I say it has become a thing of late in the media for this whole industry. Complaining say Ghana movies some na kofom. Daddy, during your time, and now, what do you think you people did right? Would you stay consistent with change in the job? And I said, more get myself updated with how things were being done. So say a bit drew internet base, switchy. What do you think you people were doing then? Because one more time, you say it didn't just wake up to see this. Then time there cassettes, Piamon call before it came to. And after that time, no so cry not Piamon call any TV near there. That's you're saying now more theater babe.
Yes.
What do you think you people were able to do to move in between these changes? A bit do this technology side in them, answer. But I want your opinion, then I come to Uncle Fred and my opinion. What do you think was things and I said maybe I'm putting in place in Tia and I'm sustaining my chair for that long time. Internet in there, I might be feeling set moving any hobby.
Okay. I can say those days, no, on the part of the actors, no, passion for productions in this and 2 producers, no, because of more say seek a share production, no, or many instant what do you call it, returns of production, because or track I said there's 1,000.
Okay.
On so now, because there are people who come and buy, take home to go and watch and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And now this time, the year is and those days of video theaters all over the place, private ones, near the bigger ones, cinema halls. I'm sorry for the cinema halls may break. Video centers, no, because when I'm crossing in the hobby, they've all collapsed. You call CD and because never be break or CD players, no, were fear. After that, this I done digital. we see on the web can want some. So we film halls. Won't mean to cassette in cash immediately. We do scale outside production.
Yeah.
And stories also no economy in Ankasano, the whole world economy are heading. Bibia say in the actor no want to make year production and as uncle act at the end of the day no on your scan fan baby.
Yeah.
In a young one's neighbor no on pesca. If they don't see money,
they're not coming.
No. On passion level no very very limited, very low.
Yeah.
It's between these two things. Your time, the few halls were there, when selling pure call, they make their money immediately. But now they say digital and why? No film also. To me, that's some of the problems we're facing right now. And you say production now confirm. Scripts not all the way.
Okay.
But who to put money in there?
No, I asked them because the young fan said the selling point no.
That's the
no, in
there's no market.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Ready-made market.
Markets. Okay. And Uncle Fred will say the same thing, and I'll bet.
Me come say, no. Unity and na year productions, you know. It is not with the
young ones now.
The young ones now. I didn't make us discipline and friend discipline. No. We are actor now. You don't have it. You better quit.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because in film, you got scripts. Just say you're only actress Casano. No phone. In my days,
we were not even having a mobile phone.
Only when director crack and no casa now only before you dare not.
Yeah.
Sir, discipline, no. It is not with this crop of generation.
Okay.
Ayira.
You also say that the generation winner, but you're now how they defend you. Daddy, would you also say, is it say, and you can't be say, yeah, inquire about fast food, and also counting nama, because say, okay, if you are no baby set so, or per se, or trap there 2 or 3 scene, if you are modeling this baby now, or fast call, be or kucha music video, because everywhere I know he's also into modeling, other kind of stuff, and you know, or pen intent, you know, or paying hair for phone back home, you being trying for being to one.
Oh, for no for there. So why would you say ma wonta so mama penny nkwan for manedi?
Okay.
Now are you going to starve kakra? I know why wonta san. Just
I get your point. Yeah.
You are a model, fine, no problem. You find time to do modeling. When it comes to movie now, the description mawa, it means for the period you're going to do the filming, you will have nothing
to do with the
modeling for that moment. Just so say you can
blend
the
it,
left and come to the right at the same time.
All right.
It will be up to you. I have learned something, with Caveman. Or say nobody has time. But everybody can find time. Ubedidia, and yet you are about winching. At a particular time.
Yeah.
The same thing. So find time for your modeling, find time for your acting.
Find time for everything.
Musician can find time to do your singing.
Yes.
You move on in life.
Really?
Yes.
With the debate, so the I say that I'm more yama as an clan, But what would you also say? Because me and you came to meet, we were born into this era of say, internet has become the age, and I said digitalization has become the age, and it has been a challenge for your movie. But you, for example, would also say it was a plus for you because if you fancy and TV or if you can say more TV, it was easy me accessing YOLO.
Exactly.
And getting to know there is somebody called Willie.
Yeah.
What do you think? Do you also think say internet based number say yeah, Ghana market no? I bet destroy us you're paying for cause say because say theaters in the hall and the ready market need you wanting to know. I'm not investors in them. But the time you could see people trying to do things on your own. Do you think say your time you make money more as paying for you can and I hopefully say a industry na one to catch up with what time has for us?
Well, like I say, I don't think say I destroy BBR totally. So I think it's a transition. Totally. Because I feel it's a transition. You free baby, no echo baby.
Yeah.
So we are now getting used to the system. But what I feel, listen, since we were doing the VHS and then the CDs and all that, as I say, digital nabano, we shouldn't have totally eradicated that culture.
Okay.
Yeah, oncophobia, one person or share CD, like one person or share normal. Exactly, that way. That way, producers will be able to sell their films, you know, like Uncle Ricky said, they know how much they are going to earn by the number of copies that they've printed.
Yeah.
And then we can also come to the digital market. So that way, Ebia Obi Ato, Ebia Mi Papa, Ebia the father of the house, no person or show TV, deck no so. Washe media or deck, what else in what show deck no so. Maybe Obanozo per se on share internet no so on on the phone. He gets the chance to also watch on the internet. That way we can have like multiple streams of exactly putting the film out there.
That means we are tapping into every
market. But right now, so digitalization we don't have say a steady market. Right now, it's either you put your film on YouTube or nowhere else.
Okay.
And then we are going to dwell on ads that is going to be played while your video is your content is being shown in Usika. And to be able to market our YouTube project is not easy at all because Uncle Ricky, they are like people within his age range are not able to access YouTube to be able to watch your kind of content. What you say, so it reduces the reach. Also, if you want to go digital, we have film platforms like Netflix, we have Amazon Prime, to be able to get your film there too is another problem. What you say, and we haven't been able to break that structure yet. So I feel we should have tried to juggle between the CD and then the digital for now, and then now we can totally move from digital to say the streaming platforms, which like the Netflix and all that. Okay. Yes, and because the
conversation is getting interesting, and one last question I may be Safa this we are talking about, but I wish I would ask, but just because of time factor, we say some other places in the movie now. Mahu say attire share uniform. Yindi and home come then I'll put the question for the last. I think it's something will be an advice from So now we are all here, from the oldies to digitalization. Really now you are with these legends acting. And then I'm a dear baby payment she honey CCA.
Oh, but you're incredible in the class. So, yeah, try a film here. We think it's one of the best things we want to share with the world. Okay. We tried this film from the Fisherman somewhere last year. And it took quite we had your official premiere in Italy, Venice. And after that, I called different film festivals. I called Australia all the way to South Korea, different places. And few weeks ago, your premiere Accra, Swabber Cinemas, and as I say, KumaseFie Mafre. it's a music we have a very beautiful film. It's funny. It has our culture in there. It carries a lot of message. It's talking about family. It's talking about dreams. It's talking about love. It's talking about so many things. Senior actually, come on. And you say you go for now Kumase no be ambra now on the support here.
Very, very nice. Yes, Mama Kwaba be hi if you Oba Kumase na wa ma hade na say wa ma crank ya beji mo first na yes ya ba be support along the conversation. I know definitely numbers on how people will get tickets and my tip was OTA so I bet my call live on Facebook Opemsuo radio now akwa title of the movie The Fisherman the flyer of it also. That is the movie they are here to premiere Kumase. As he said, it was released 2024 last year and on my Accra premiere. They really started in Italy, but right now on my Bagana and the Accra area Kumase. Whether we came to Kumase first or Accra,
we need more than 10 awards too.
Yeah.
Wow.
From the US, Italy, that didn't the winning award.
Nice.
And then to the US, back to Europe, Australia, Korea.
Wow. Yeah.
Ghana, so yeah, we know what I'm moving by.
Interesting. Eddie, or I would have asked, say, what makes you accept a role? But this particular movie, and then I will accept, okay, so you'll be part of it.
There's one person I believe in, or we believe in, a casting director. And if he calls you to,
a movie,
come for an audition, it means he's seen and read whatever script, and he believes that a role in this script can fit you.
Okay.
So when he called, it was all smiles that something good was going to happen, because that man will never want to associate himself with any bad script. So immediately he taps you and says, hey, that's an audition, come. Then you are going for something. And that's exactly, I was so excited. He sent me a short, something to memorize. Have a video of it, and that was it.
Interesting.
It was later that I found that this young man, that old man, were all part of it, and especially the lady.
Endurance.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody knows
yeah.
As a dancer.
Yeah.
But now I can tell you, Endurance is a performer.
Yeah.
Wow.
She does anything entertaining.
Yeah.
She fits into it like both are not. Yeah. So you need to see
that movie. Yeah.
Yes. Sure. You must say
it's a must.
If you phone I can say so
Uncle Ricky, I know from the narration that Uncle Feda made, it means that whoever calls you, that person is the standard.
Yeah.
What unya script in the fine, even though you are interested.
Yeah.
But what one or two scenes, or it could be a line in the script, and it catch your attention the most from the character you played?
Me honestly, when I say I was interested in Poe. Offering me catching the problem and say, Charlie, me need time. Because not me bra that time. Me were Roma, me be a mama ninja cry. Also Opemsuo, me the member from some Moko. Or really international war recently for US.
Okay.
UK.
US. Atos.
So no for us bra auditioning. That means that particular role I'm for will surely be yours.
Yes.
You go for the second time, you can't say, my can't say, I'm not interested, I'm not happy. Or see you with your bra. The kind of reasons be our pet. Like, I just want your face on that
on the tape.
Third time, no frame, Satan now, pay no call down kakra. Or frame also mean bra third time, you call it. No, it's okay. We could do one at director. You know your Juma on Beast of Moon Nation.
Okay.
You know say, hey, say, and also for me, no say, hey, whatever role you are auditioning for is yours. How can you explain? It's yours. You say, yo, that's okay, thank you.
Okay.
From then, I've not even read the script. Now, lines are more for the auditioning. It's the same as what is in the script.
Okay.
So, hey, I fell in love with the
Easy
character
to go.
anyway.
All right. I'll come back to normal individual characters that we play. In the movie, in Hong Kong, people have to come.
Yes.
But Winnie, how did you get yourself into this?
This is so that made me budget do some other production, and then a friend they say there's a movie about to be shot now. Would I like to be part? And I said yeah. But I said member audition. Timmy call and I'm call me audition. Few weeks later, or a few days later, or some friend back and I'm missing call re-audition. And after that, I'm Rowana. And then
Okay.
almost any scripts in the moment I'm and then it was amazing. I loved it.
All right. So now we are all in the movie at Yetra. Role Bena will play.
We play the role of Kobna. Kobna is young boy be a so we use about our big dreams. Are very ambitious.
I'm very selfish.
Are very ambitious. On big time in life. Now you know also as young people are will be happy quick. Yeah, he's
Like Uncle Fred kind.
So Kobna is that kind of guy. Opes come 10. Into the beer baby adiana skadio obediana into Kobwa Uncle Ricky say on achieving the dream.
Like I'm saying, Baba Navas say one more character because I will ask you guys to mention your character.
Yeah, you know, I guess yeah, so Bubuano Emani also to achieve his dream. But I'm motive team.
Okay.
Yeah, so my character is more ambitious and greedy and selfish. Yeah, right.
All right. Uncle Fred, but your character then I will play.
Boat chief retired.
Oh, okay. Boat chief.
Yeah.
Our retired.
My retire.
As a
Now,
captain of the boat.
We needed to get a new boat chief. And Ricky, thinking his
After
since Atoko, has done a lot with the fishing in the community.
Okay.
He felt if I wasn't there, he should be the next person. But role also, position,
Yeah.
people must vote for you. I mean,
Okay.
Young,
Everybody,
fishermen,
yeah.
And he was so sure, say,
Obewini.
Obewini. Unfortunately, boat chief, Wamfa, Amma, and the reasons were we digitalization.
Okay.
I don't know about so. They can smell fish with a small gadget.
Oh, okay.
I thought we will have to go to sea, stand in the boat and look into the deep waters. Mwakase, Namoha, and Namuiniha. So it was like,
But
why you let the young ones bring the ideas they have to help the fishing community. Massively in ending. One thing I said that.
Okay. This is going to be interesting. That means there is a scene. Definitely, the three of you were present.
Yeah.
I wish we could recite a lie, but that's the same day for the people who come to watch the movie. It's if what happen so 104.7 FM Cinema Kaina any movie or Kukudan for na air train come. They have a movie out which was released last year 2024 as they rightfully said or more launching or Italy. Now about Ghana amma baby as about Kumasi ebe premiere. Let's get back to them. Know where movie ebe premiere, and the time, date, anyhow. We'll be seeing access to go watch this kind of movie. I'll be going to watch it in Pachauti and what was so now we get all the needed information because this is the time we are giving it out. Now also what making what mark what calendar so said that day you'll be present because Opemsuo 104.7 will be present.
Willie is our spokesperson.
Talking
Exactly.
yeah, ma Willie Kasa.
So the day of the premiere, day of the premiere, Anajuwe, Kosu, Anyway, Kosu, 5 p.m. red carpet.
Okay.
Once 5 p.m. But first show, 7 p.m.
First show is 7.
First show 7 p.m. Until from now to 7 p.m. there was only one when you will be quick now. You find your way to the venue. And I'm venue the Golden Eagles Cinema. I work Kumasi City Mall. We do Kumasi City Mall now. Mr. Security Man is we should share Golden Eagles Cinema. About Golden Eagles Cinema. Show me 7 p.m. for the first viewing, 9 p.m. for the second viewing. And I think it's cheap. Tickets that from and because the low down popcorn. 100 Ghana cedis. 100 Ghana cedis. But now open tickets is say dear. We bet me have open say when reserve your tickets is here. And we bet me have number 1 by the way. We bet me have 025 67 89 919.
Yes, answers to be a mighty for
025 67 67 89 919. We bet me have fresh and we bet me WhatsApp is an see Menokasano. Omega attending to no much shows now you can go through the process to get your ticket.
To buy a ticket.
Now
so let's all tickets in there. You need to call the number.
Yes,
so
but
yes, it should be
okay. 025 67 89 919. Now so ABR so one team I'm reaching out to the number right now. But venue one muswa obetimi anyabo.
So the showing time is 7 p.m. and that's the first show. Second show
9 p.m.
So only 2 shows.
Yes.
Yeah, so red carpet
5 o'clock.
Yeah.
That means getting the chance to meet
the star.
Said the many chance I mean more share. Easy access. Nifan be share come. All right. KumaseFie send am saying as they said omo premiere the movie called The Fisherman at Golden Eagle Cinema at Kumasi City Mall and then you red carpet starts at 5 o'clock. First show starts at 7 o'clock. So now second show starts at 9 o'clock. If you want to be part of this cinema event because you name rain quantity I want to take it it's never too late to be my picking number you know for 0256789919 0256789919 now my guide will through to get a ticket as soon as I will say number and so what TM once the same and so be a cash what the time so I'm not say I just go to the washroom take a bath iron a dress now move straight to Golden Bed Cinema City Mall Golden Eagle sorry Cinema City Mall you can get a ticket honum at all and no more can open Uncle Fred, Uncle Ricky, and the ladies man really a picture and there. You should go there early and on time so never get a chance to have pictures with them. Almost free or more about here. But my baby definitely will take their last word. But as I said, I saved a question for them I want to ask. It has been a question it has always been on my mind wanting to ask legends in movie. We remember Honum. Daddy, we've had issues with veteran actors and actresses. They come out let's say let's for the like lack of better words let's say begging for money and me being here and at least the call me more if we be royalties the movie we call it residuals movie maka say Ghana has adene ejuma and ejuma kwan be ne befa so dia na ejuma sine be ya big say really money yemba me face these kind of challenges.
Royalties between me capre cranda directors and the producers are they are taking everything to themselves
Yeah.
to the extent say because
Okay.
You know, were asking for it.
Okay.
But Sikanaba, one mountain po, producers and directors, you know. And somebody somewhere is not doing his or her job.
Well.
Because you can't carry everything and give it to the producer or the director.
Yeah.
At least 3 or 4 lead characters in every film deserve to
Yeah.
you know, but they've taken everything to themselves.
Yeah.
Now there's a hand on it. Nobody is taking anything until everything is solved.
Okay.
So hopefully, with our present crop of leaders, you know, the various sectors, NFA, name it, we'll get there soon and start taking our royalties.
Okay. But Daddy, would you say because that's okay? Uncle Rick in Pachovitz so more as okay. I want to say I say my here pow because no na mumpo my me encourage maybe that is the time I can find some small pension pay no.
Yes.
But do you think say when you guys are signing
No, unfortunately, there's no pension when it comes to that industry.
Yeah.
Because before the kind, one say if you are a friend in your fee. In the same vein, if you are opinion in honor, in your fee.
Yeah.
In Uchasini, you don't have Nkwada paying for then
Exactly.
you are not talking about life, because life is from the baby or the clot of blood in the womb of a woman to even the dead who have died after 100 years. Everybody is needed
in a movie,
you know. So maybe if you put it that no matter what, you know,
it has to be
people
paid.
need to get what they deserve.
Okay,
Yes.
all right. Thanks for the correction. So that Nami Bisano, senior uncle, I correct me. Would you say contracts na ya no mo de mamo no buapayo and the whole no mumfa ancient because here it has been a thing we've really discussed and idea a hard
yeah,
and if you never kind of cry something even the media do not mention it.
Yeah.
A babia or now we try movie one money bray one when it's this but these are things we need to talk about. These are things we need to bring out. You think say a contract no the no and a big issues never and I say said an uncle Fred can if you do cry na see you come carry my fan shame
where Bisa say I him crying for the production in the first place.
Okay.
And now your fair amount of people are almost out in so luckily for us, let us say again about
contract
the contract there's something like that in it for us.
Okay.
Fisherman, this is the very first time I'm at production now.
Bibi Sao. Okay.
All the other ones, highly educated people, they know they have to put it there. But the moment you mention it, they sideline they blacklist you. They will tell everybody that we don't have you. Different now. Like I say, use residual benefits, BB contract, on yet. And that's what we do coins or we buy a house on your BG all those things. And I be also, let me tell you, ignorant, they don't know anything about royalty. If they want to know, you like the story and character now we can play. You feel that okay, amount of it you are on okay, we're managing this.
Yeah.
And so we're shooting ourselves in the foot. If we all insist that no, there must be something like that in the contract. Everybody now.
Say unye we mamia and yeah for script na ma fawochi ma kwa script na.
Okay.
Me your transia it can't say man efa yeah now also can be. Meanwhile you know.
Yeah, that brings my next question to really moving forward. May the old questions no more. Now me the forward now, bro. So moving forward, me and my dream, this is what I think. But what do you think? I'm thinking that say I think we should have a common association who can fight for us when it comes to this thing. What do you think? Because as you were saying, now on Komoka say because of now ready marketing want a pushy producers in the way, and you were saying that we could still have maintained the the old system, but asking yourself, once a movie will be quite we cannot will be what do you think is the way forward as young people are here back into the movie? At least with music, I think it's correcting itself because of the internet. Because yes, yeah. But with movie, what do you think can be the way forward for us all?
So from the actor's point of view, or from the from actor's point of view, general point of view. Okay, for me, from the actor's point of view, I think the actors need to be informed. Or say intimation. This is saying Uncle Ricky Kyan and they don't know anything about receipt one single money. And the young actors who are we don't know, most of them don't know. Yeah. They don't research. So I feel we need to equip ourselves with with knowledge. Say ABM your band honeymoon, now they disarm. So person play role, then I request for residuals. And they go to another actor. NASA actor also has knowledge about residuals. To pick the best one for the role.
Yes. To pick the best one for the role. Yeah. Not to take more time, baby. At least my last word. And then you make it, as I said, we are all going straight to Kumasi City Mall. Golden Eagle Cinema. Yeah, heard the Fisherman. A movie which was released last year. What was a better enough when you brother and paying for if you hired in Como. Cindy can kind of Opemsuo ticket maybe a bit my friend 0256789919. Yes, sorry, some paying for more last words and the Opemsuo Kumase until we meet again. And you made it. You said definitely I might see you people again before you leave.
I will advise every performer or actor, so to speak, to make sure he or she has a manager or a management team who will liaise always with the employer.
Exactly.
Yeah, that would be the best. And we must always be humble.
Yeah.
As say in Yabutrend, what we do, Chinese folks say every 1,000 miles start with just a step. Let's go slow. One go slower,
exactly.
Say they will call over speed. You may want to say
crash.
If you rush, you crash.
We should
rhymes.
Yes. You rush, you crash.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, we did the American say, well, best friend of Obiase on brand on the share our film, and also to encourage my fellow actors, the young people, say we should try as much as possible to equip young. Let's go for workshops, let's pay for master class and get to learn a lot about the crafts. It's not only about the film, but we also need to equip our minds and then to be able to be bankable and then be an international product.
All right, then so I'm putting to you Mumbai more seminars to Kumasi when it comes to this kind of education.
Yeah.
Any daddy, I can look your last minute.
Well,
okay.
When I say we are saying nipa miti fish language.
Wow.
Nipa Uba play a young trailer. Many fish bomb in common. Madame Fu pa prebo mini bonko in South Africa. So just say you are never mentioned a work must be a movie drama and movie. You see a movie, movie, real movie. Directors, writers, producers, actors, a work must be
musicians
will be a
handful.
I had a pony and didn't make a fisherman. Your fisherman movie, so beautiful. At the strand with brave.
That is social media handles.
Hey, That can be.
Into him.
Pope Ricky 69.
Ricky 69
yeah.
on all platforms. Willie.
Media near Willie_Chambers. Chambers near CHEMBEZ.
Chambers.
FNYA1705 at. No.
Yeah, come be. All right. Initially, I wanted to put social media handle now and ask you, but I felt like that would be unfair. All right, thank you. That's some mobile, and definitely Yabo Kumase Amani DNA. People will definitely turn up to come watch the movie. As I said, we will be coming there as Opemsuo. Everybody should be.
Now for phone.
Who feels say who is that going to say any social media handles? Ozis.
All right, let's see for Uncle Fred, Uncle Ricky, and big man within anyone to train. Come on, they have a new movie out, as we said. The title is Fisherman. A premiere and Kumase. Golden Eagle Cinema. What do we call it? Kumase City Mall. Obetimi attend up now. Akoshebi.